Number 5. We have two fighter jets at number 5, and the first one is the Shenyang J-11 fighter, China, Mach 2.35. Shenyang J-11 is the Chinese-built variant of the Russian Su-27SK multi-role fighter aircraft. The power plant consists of Lyuka AL-31F or Washen WS-10A Taihang turbofan engines. The J-11 has a maximum range of 3,530 kilometers per hour. Now the other one, the original variant of the J-11, is the Su-27SK flanker, Russia, Mach 2.35. The Sukhoi Su-27SK multi-role fighter is an export variant of the Su-27 fighter and was the single best Soviet fighter of the Cold War. It's powered by two AL-31F engines with a maximum internal fuel capacity of 9,400 kilograms. The aircraft achieves a maximum flight range of 3,530 kilometers per hour at cruising altitude. Number 4. McConnell Douglas F-15 USA, Mach 2.44. The F-15 Eagle was the U.S. Air Force's frontline air superiority fighter aircraft designed by McConnell Douglas, now manufactured by Boeing. Powered by two 25,000-pound thrust Pratt & Whitney F100 PW100 turbofan engines, the F-15 has a range of 3,862 kilometers. Number 3. F-15E Strike Eagle, USA, Mach 2.5 class. The F-15E Strike Eagle, built by Boeing Defense, Space and Security, is a multi-role strike fighter derived from the F-15. The F-15E is powered by two Pratt & Whitney F100 or 2GE F110 turbofan engines, and the aircraft has a ferry range of 3,840 kilometers. Number 2. MiG-31E fighter, Russia, Mach 2.83, 3,494 kilometers per hour. The MiG-31 fighter is an export variant of the MiG-31 aircraft powered by Russian Aircraft Corporation MiG, RAC MiG. Powered by two 30F engines, MiG-31E has an unrefueled range of 3,000 kilometers and offers a maximum range of 5,400 kilometers with one aerial refueling. And now we come to the fastest fighter jet that's still in service. Fighter jets depend on speed for survival because speed and agility are decisive factors in any form of aerial dominance. If your craft doesn't move as fast as the enemy's, there can be grave consequences. In light of such basic understanding, jet engineers are continuously trying to outdo each other to improve and release the fastest fighter plane possible. In the present generation, fighter jets have come a long way, given that the speed and raw tenacity that these beasts of the sky have while in action is something to behold. So today at Factaholic, we bring you the top 12 fastest fighter jets of 2019, still in service with the armed forces across the world. Number 12. Chengdu J-10 China, Mach 1.89. The Chinese multi-role combat aircraft is the first aircraft on this fastest fighter jet list. Produced by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC, The J-10 is powered by a single Russian Lyulka Saturn AL-31FN turbofan engine and has a range of 1,850 kilometers. Number 11. Dassault Mirage 2000, France, Mach 2 class, 2,469 kilometers per hour. The Mirage 2000 is a French multi-role, single-engine, fourth-generation jet fighter manufactured by Dassault Aviation. Mirage 2000 is equipped with a single SNECMA M53 P2 turbofan engine and has a range of 1,550 kilometers. Number 10. F-22 Raptor USA, Mach 2 class, 2,469 kilometers per hour. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin for the U.S. Air Force, USAF. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW-100 turbofan engines with two-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles, the fighter can fly at maximum altitude of 20,000 meters and across a maximum range of 2,963 kilometers. Number 9. Eurofighter Typhoon, Germany, Italy, Spain, and UK, Mach 2.02. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a highly agile aircraft designed to be a supremely effective dogfighter in combat. The Eurofighter Typhoon is fitted with two Eurojet EJ-200 engines and had its combat debut during the 2011 military intervention in Libya. It has a range of 2,900 kilometers. Number 8. MiG-23 Flogger, Russia, Mach 2.024, 2,500 kilometers per hour. The MiG-23 is a third-generation jet fighter and the world's most produced variable geometry aircraft, along with other similar Soviet fighters. Powered by Timansky R-29B turbojet engine, the MiG-23 has a range of 1,150 kilometers with 6 AAMs combat and 2,820 kilometers ferry. Number 7. MiG-35 Fulcrum F, also Russia, Mach 2.18. The MiG-35 is a 4++ generation single-seat multi-role fighter developed by RAC MiG. The two RD-33MK engines with afterburners incorporate a smokeless combustion chamber and new electronic control system. The aircraft is also offered with all-aspect thrust vector control (TVC) RD-33MK engines for dogfight scenarios with a range of 2,000 kilometers. Number 6. Su Flanker E, Russia, Mach 2.25. The Sukhoi Su-35 multi-role fighter, built by Komsomolsk na Amur Aviation Production Association (KNAAPO), is a modernized version of the Su-27 aircraft. The aircraft is powered by two Saturn 117S turbofan engines with all-access TVC nozzles. The Su-35 can fly over a distance of 3,600 kilometers with the full fuel load.